Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing the Asian baby girl transformation. So, for those of you who don't know, an ABG is typically a girl who loves going partying, clubbing, to raves, and usually has black or blonde hair, tattoos, loves boba. Those are the stereotypical things about an Asian baby girl. And honestly, I probably would be an Asian baby girl if I grew up in Southern California. But here on the East Coast, it's a little bit harder to find. So I'm going to be doing a makeover today with the false lashes, the fake tattoos. Stick around and enjoy. Alright, so yesterday I did my nails already. I cut them kind of long, but my natural oval shape. It's this really pretty color from Deborah Lippmann, and it looks like gel but it's not, so it's called The Shape of You, and I picked this up at Marshall's a while ago for a pretty good deal, and I really like how it looks on my skin tone. So yeah, that's my nails. So I'm gonna start with my foundation. I'm just using the only foundation that I have that matches my skin tone right now, which is the Ordinary Serum Foundation, and the shade is 1.2N. This actually might be a little light on me right now because I have not been wearing sunscreen, which is bad, and so my skin might be a little bit darker, so bear with me as I put this on. I just like to put it all on my fingers, but I know there are better ways of doing this. I am not a makeup expert by any means. Alright, I think that's probably as good as it's gonna get. Just evens out my skin tone a bit. And I've been breaking out recently. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my brows. This is a sample that I got from L'Oreal for testing their brow tint. So I'm not sure what the exact product is, but it's a pretty natural look. I'm just gonna build it up to make it look darker. I love these kind of products that are super easy to use. So you can definitely tell the difference now. I'm gonna go back in and do the left brow. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. I might go over it with powder later to make them even darker, but I think that's okay for now. I'm gonna go in with contour. I'm using this blush from 3CE. It's the Multipot in Diotima. It's a really pretty blush shade. It works on the cheeks and as an eyeshadow. Probably just gonna do it on the cheeks today. So I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna add some bronzer now. So I have the Sayuki bronze powder, pretty warm brown. I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. blending brush. I think it looks okay. So now I think I'm gonna go in for my eye look. For my eyeshadow palette, I have the Midnight Masquerade. This is a Disney collab with ColourPop. I really like the shades in here. You get a different berry tones and light pinks, and then some darker tones as well. Alright, and then I also have the Urban Decay Naked Basics. This is really good for all your basic shades. I like it better than the big Naked palette because of the shape. It's compact, and I actually bought it just because I really love this orange shade. I'm gonna try to go for a neutral eye, maybe with a bit of orange. Maybe try a smoky eye. I don't know, my makeup skills are not that good, so we'll see how that turns out. So I don't really use brushes because I'm bad at cleaning them. So I'm going into this shade right here, which is Pre-Game. Haha. So I'm gonna go over my whole eyelid with that as a base. And going all the way to the brow. My dog is playing with the curtains, so excuse him. Primed. Now I will use a brush. This is the only brush I use. This is the Sigma Tapered Blending Brush E40. Got it forever ago. I'm going to start out with Faith, which is this lighter brown, and go into my crease to start carving that out. And then I'm going into the darker brown, which is Lockout. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. I could do more blending at the edges, but it's alright for now. For the base shade, I'm gonna go into my other palette. I'm gonna go with Damsel today. It's like a pink, peachy color. I might do Dijali right here, just to spice it up a little bit. Alright, so this is looking like a bit of a mess. But I'm gonna go into Nutmeg and try to do the outer corners and blend it in with the crease shade. And I'm supposed to get dinner with a friend after this, so depending on how this makeup looks comes out, I will either wash it off or leave it on. I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. So I have this LA Girl liner. It's just a basic drugstore kohl. I'm gonna go under and tightline my eyes and then do a black liquid liner on top of that. Yep, so I usually just do the outer 2/3 just to here, because any closer and it looks really odd on my eyes. Fortunately, I was looking for my false lashes, but I think they're all at my mom's house, so I'm gonna proceed without them. Shuamura eyelash curler. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then apply mascara. My dog is playing right now with the ball by himself, so excuse the noise. Now I have this Voluminous Lash Paradise. I don't know the brand, but it's supposed to be that Too Faced Better Than Sex dupe, so yeah. So my regular lashes, they're still pretty long, but not quite as thick as false lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with the liquid liner. This is the NYX matte liquid liner. It's okay, to be honest. I just got it because it was cheap. Definitely will try a new liner after this. Let me know if you have any recommendations in the comments below. Alright, so the left eye is definitely higher than the right. I'm just gonna roll with it. I might try darkening my brows a little bit more. Do blackjack. I actually think the brows look okay on camera, although it looks a little crazy in real life. And now I'm gonna put on some liquid lip. This is ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Dopey. It's just a light pink. So I'm gonna put that on. Alright, so that is all made up. I honestly do not know how to curl my hair. Alright, so I'm back in my outfit, blinged out. I brushed out my hair since I do not have a curling iron with me. And now I'm gonna try putting on some fake tattoos. Thank you all for watching this video. It was super fun to make and I'm really obsessed with these tattoos. And definitely want to get some now. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And